it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a small Dollar Tree haul. I had gone to the Dollar Tree in search of Christmas items that I've been seeing everybody haul, and my Dollar Trees, unfortunately, are just now starting to get out their Christmas stuff. And so they didn't have a whole lot to choose from, but by the way it looked like they were going to have a lot of it put out by probably this weekend. So maybe I'll go back this weekend and see if I can find some more of the items that I'm wanting on my wish list and mark those off. But I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I did find. So the first things that I found were these really cute pot holders. I picked up one of the oven mitts, and it's got the red farm truck on there with Christmas trees, and it says Dashing Through the Snow. It's got solid green on the back, which I think this is so cute if you're into the farm trucks, which I am. And they have these square pot holders that also say Dashing Through the Snow with the same little farm truck and the Christmas trees. And they're also solid green on the back. So I thought these were really cute. The next two things also match those pot holders, and they are the dish towels. I went ahead and grabbed two of these, and they also say Dashing Through the Snow with the farm truck and the trees. And these are not very absorbent towels, so I wouldn't use these to dry my hands or my dishes with, but they do make really good Christmas decor. Next two things I found are these little fingertip towels. And I don't really know what a fingertip towel is, but let's just say they're small. They're a lot smaller than a regular dish towel. But these are really cute. They have the farm truck with the Christmas tree embroidered on there. And the towel is made of terry cloth. So I figured that I would probably put these in my bathroom for just Christmas decor. I think these are really, really cute. The next two things that I found are these really cute signs, and they are in the shape of Christmas ornaments. One has the Santa Claus and one has a snowman on it. The one with the Santa Claus is so cute. It just says Merry Christmas. Got a little candy cane on there, and it's galvanized metal up here for the top. The snowman is the same way. It's got the galvanized metal at the top. It says Let It Snow. And he's got a little bit of glitter up here on his hat, and the wordings that say Let It Snow has a little bit of glitter on it. But I'm not one that likes a lot of glitter, so this works perfect for me. The next two things that I got were also signs, and these are so cute because they're shaped like gift tags. And this one has the farm truck with the Christmas tree in the back, and it says Home for the Holidays. I thought this was really, really cute. And it also has a little bit of glitter on it. So it's not too bad though. And the other one that I got, it says It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year. And it's got the trees in the back with the deer. I think that is so pretty. The thing I found is this tumbler. And it says Up to Snow Good. I thought this was really cute. They did have a couple other ones that had different sayings on them, and I just like this one the best. And these are double walled. The lid, it fits on there really well. It's got a little gasket that goes around here for a really good seal. And it also has the top of it where you slide it open to take a drink and then slide it back to close it. And these also say on the back here, it says hand wash only, no, not to microwave, and it's not dishwasher safe. So make sure you just hand wash it. But I thought this was really cute. The next thing I found was this really cute coffee cup, and it says Slay All Day. I thought this was really cute. The lid of it is the kind that you just screw off and you can screw back on, which I really like because you don't want to spill your coffee or your hot chocolate or whatever you're drinking. So I thought this was really cute, so I picked up this one. They did have some other ones that had some different sayings on them with different colors, but I really like this one. The thing I found is this roll of ribbon, and it's the wired ribbon. It's the 2.5 inches. It's 3 yards. but it's got the little farmhouse truck on there with the Christmas tree in the back, and it says Merry Christmas. I think this was really cute. My Dollar Tree only had one roll of these left. So I'm assuming people are buying them up like crazy. I'm hoping that when I go back that they happen to stock up on some more. But I went ahead and just grabbed the one. But I think this is really cute. And the last three things that I found are these glitter vase fillers. And I like these whenever I make my wreaths. I use these as embellishments. So the first ones that I got are the blue and white, and there is 110 in here, which is a really good deal. 110 for $1. That's pretty good because at Hobby Lobby you get a little bit more, but I think they're about $5 or $6 for a bag of them. The next one is the glitter, is the gold and silver. And the last one is the green and the red. So that's my Dollar Tree haul for the day, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And I just want to thank you all for watching. Bye.